Today, I'm breaking down a revolutionary payout system with 5 simple income streams that work for modern entrepreneurs. Stream 1, Direct Pay. Someone joins through your referral link, you get paid immediately. Quick rewards for your efforts. Stream 2, Community Pay. Monthly earnings from activity volume beneath your placement. Growth pays you back. Stream 3, Matching Pay. Earn percentage matches on community pay from people you personally introduced. Stream 4, Retail Pay. Optional commissions from retail customer orders through your public store. Stream 5, Bonus Pool. Milestone-based payouts for select achievers. Future earning potential, not guarantees. Payment cycles are predictable. Weekly for direct efforts, monthly for community volume. Up to 5 pay events monthly. 5 straightforward streams, predictable cycles, multiple opportunities.